The Oakland Raiders versus the Pittsburgh Steelers. It is simply one of the greatest rivalries in the history of the National Football League.
What's good, y'all, boys? We've been grinding all week for this moment right here, man. Lay it on the line, finish strong. Let me say we play strong. Play with your heart today. I love y'all, boys. Be great on three. 1, 2, 3. Be great. Y'all have a hell of a day, man. Have a hell of a day, dog. Have a hell of a day. Have a hell of a day, guys.
No seatbelt, no sunroof. Let's get out here and get it. Up front on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Up front.
Let's go out here and get it. Let's destroy their season. Let's have fun doing it. Hey, come on, baby. Raiders on 3. 1, 2, 3.
We are underway. Quick slant. And once more, it is Cook down to the 15. Another Oakland first down. What a start for the Raiders on this opening drive.
We're changing personnel again. We're bringing everybody big, and we're just going to find out who's tougher. Line up and find out who's tougher on this goal line play.
Martin over the top, and he is in for the touchdown, Oakland Raiders.
Well, you trust yourself, right? You made the cut and you were like, did I do the right thing? No.
It was too open. It was too open. The trap. The trap.
Hey, I don't want to start the game off, man. I don't want to start it off all day.
Roethlisberger gives to Ridley. They follow the fullback for the touchdown. An extra point away from a tie.
They're down in 7, only a 4-man rush. And there is Cook yet again. And Morgan Burnett in coverage is having a hard time staying with Jared Cook.
Snap, hold, kick on its way. Good. How about the performance of Daniel Carlson?
Come on, D.
And now another 3rd and 8. And down goes Roethlisberger. A Pro Bowler a year ago has not been that this year. And this is wide right.
Great job, man. That's how it's drawn up.
All right, 3rd down and goal. You're going to hand it off. You're out of timeouts here.
No, I think you throw the football
Into the end zone. And it is no. Tipped into the air by Smith-Schuster. Oh, unable to come down cleanly with it and get both feet inbounds. Or did he?
Yeah, that's a touchdown. That's a touchdown right there.
Let's go, D.
Attempt to try and get a first down. And he will be smothered short of the first down. But a decision now for Mike Tomlin, who's not afraid to go for it on a 4th down. 4th and 1. And they're going to run it. Nope, they're going to throw it. And did McDonald get there? He did not. What a play by Whitehead.
He's short. He's short. Yes! Let's go, D.
Pump fake one way, back the other way into traffic, and the reception is made. And getting back onto his feet is Carrier. And they're going to say he's down back at the 12-yard line. Around and had the ball deflected. Is that a live ball or is that an incompleted pass? Incompleted pass. Or is it? No, they're saying it's a fumble. And the ball belongs to the Steelers. Took a big hit. And the ball is on the ground. And I believe they're saying incompleted pass. Yes, they are.
We just got to get it the hard way. We got to get it the hard way.
Now Dobbs, much better protection. And it's intercepted. The ball was batted and then picked off by Whitehead.
Ball don't lie. Ball don't lie. They're trying to take it from us. We're going to earn it.
That Raiders turnover.
Come on, let's make some plays now.
Yes, sir.
Boswell.
Take a breath and dig deep.
Again, it's a power look. Harris in motion from behind the quarterback, keeps changing sides. Carr's going to throw it. Harris is covered. Lobs middle, touchdown! Touchdown! Lee Smith!
Ben Roethlisberger has led his team to a game-winning drive in the fourth quarter or overtime. Does he have a 41st in him? And that is a touchdown for Smith-Schuster. Boy, what a dangerous throw that was.
It's almost picked.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go win this time.
Steps away from trouble, and it's Aikman again at first down to the 40-yard line. Steps up, throws to Cook and a first down. Goes down from the 47. Carr airs it out to the catch. It is made by Seth Roberts inside the 10.
Fourth down, line up, and let's find out.
All right, here we go.
Back into the gun, backs out, steps up, fire, touchdown Raiders! Carrier! He did go to one of his tight ends.
Let's go!
This will be a 40-yarder. He's missed a 37-yarder earlier today. Snap, hold, he slips, he slips. The Raiders win it, the Raiders win it, the Raiders are a winner. Let the celebration begin, baby.